how to deposit check on phone on the Chase Bank. So if you want to deposit check on phone for the Chase Bank app, all you have to do is first of all download the mobile banking app, and you have to first sign into your mobile banking. So to sign in, just go ahead and then enter your username over here. Once you enter your username, you want to simply make sure to enter your password, and once you've entered your password, just tap on the sign in button that you can find there. So all you have to do is just tap on the sign in option there, and once done, you will be able to go ahead and then log into your mobile banking account. Now once you log in, go to the pay and transfer option, and from there select the option to deposit checks. Select the account to deposit the funds into, enter the amount to deposit, tap front and take a clear picture of the front of the check, and also endorse the check. You can tap on next and take the picture of the back of the check and select deposit and confirm with yes. Now deposits are usually available by the next business day but are subject to limits that may change. Chase quick deposit can be used for personal checks, business checks, travelers checks, US Treasury checks, and money orders that are payable in US dollars and drawn on US banks. Foreign and Canadian checks are not accepted. So I hope that this video helped to clear the confusion. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.